Real quick update before the furnace kicks on, hopefully. I'll talk very loudly. But basically, hard thing I had to do today was, you can see back there, there's the bolt. I don't know if you can or not. I probably just glared the crap out of it. There's a bolt that runs through that's going to hold me. Basically, there you go. You can see it's almost impossible to get in there. So I took a little dental floss. And these bad boys. I got it started. So that's goodness. Cleaned that up a little bit in there. So I'm going to put some anti-seize on there, so when Brian has to take this apart after I'm long gone, he won't curse me. I got my shim packs all made up. I mic'd them, they're pretty close. Look back at the video that I have, dental floss. Save that stuff from trips for the dentist. So yeah, assembly time. Now I'm going to figure out how to somehow balance the control arm on my transmission jack or some sort of thing, or maybe I'll weld up some sort of unit. I don't know quite what I'm going to do because it's kind of heavy and I'm solo. But my goal is to get that started. I got to drive the... There's a hole down here where the shim pack, right down there, that's where the cotter pin goes in and holds the shims in place once I get them started in the bolt. So I'm gonna want some assistance for that. It's a dental floss trick which I got from this one of the many good YouTubers who does C3 content, Carrie Vosberg, something Corvettes. Really good video, as in depth as most of those guys are gonna get. Was very helpful. So yeah, we're cruising right along. So hopefully I'll have this side in later today. Hopefully Brian will have my half shafts back from Associated. So yeah, here we go.